He said Chris was a good student.
Iwan said.
He said Iwan was sad.
Sekarang, coba kalimat menyangkal berikut ini.
Chris isn't in Indonesia.
He said Chris wasn't in Indonesia.
Bagus. Nah, katakanlah kembali ucapan Margaret berikut ini. Mulailah dengan kata she, karena Margaret seorang wanita.
Chris isn't at the university.
She said he wasn't at the university.
Iwan isn't in the garden.
She said he wasn't in the garden.
Chris isn't in the kitchen.
She said he wasn't in the kitchen.
They aren't in the lounge room.
She said they weren't in the lounge room.
Saudara pendengar, kita dapat juga menceritakan kembali apa yang dikatakan seseorang tentang dirinya sendiri, seperti halnya ucapan tentang orang lain. Coba dengarkan.
I'm tired.
Margaret mengatakannya kembali sebagai berikut.
Chris said he was tired.
I'm interested in Indonesia.
He said he was interested in Indonesia.
I'm not hungry.
He said he wasn't hungry.
Baiklah. Berikut ini beberapa kalimat lagi untuk disebutkan kembali. Coba lakukan latihan ini, dan jangan lupa mengulangi jawaban yang betul sesudah Margaret.
I'm thirsty.
He said he was thirsty.
I'm sick.
He said he was sick.
I'm talkative.
He said he was talkative.
Dan berikut ini kalimat menyangkal. Cobalah sekarang.
I'm not hungry.
He said he wasn't hungry.
Nah, kita telah mendengar Chris dan Iwan berbicara. Jadi, kita tahu mereka sudah kembali dari Indonesia. Berikut ini akan kita dengar apa yang terjadi ketika Chris tiba kembali di rumah orang tuanya.
Oh, they're here. They've arrived. Chris! Iwan! Welcome home, Chris.
Welcome back, Iwan. It's good to see you again.
Hello, Mum. It's good to see you, too.
Hello, Mrs. Scott. Hello, Mr. Scott.
Hello, Iwan. You look tired, Chris.
Well, we are tired. We've been travelling for 8 hours.
But you look fine.
You look thinner, Chris.
You look the same, Iwan.
What about something to drink?
Oh, yes, please.
Yes, please.
Tea or coffee?
Ada kopi pahit? Oh, maaf. Sorry, I've been speaking a lot of Indonesian lately. Can I have some black coffee, please?
Certainly. Hang on.
You stay here, Margaret. I'll get it.
Thanks, Bert. Tell me about Indonesia. Where did you stay?
Jadi, Chris dan Iwan sudah tiba kembali, dan mereka ingin tidur karena capek sesudah perjalanan mereka. Saudara pendengar, Chris dan Iwan masih beristirahat. Cecilia Rossi singgah di rumah Chris, dan Margaret bercerita kepadanya tentang Chris dan Iwan. Perhatikanlah, kata that kadang-kadang dipakai, kadang-kadang tidak. Kata itu bukan suatu keharusan.
Margaret? Margaret, are you there?
Oh, yes, Cecilia, come in. I'm looking at some material.
Thanks. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it's batik. Chris bought it in Indonesia.
It's lovely. How are Chris and Iwan?
They're fine. They're sleeping at the moment. They said they were very tired.
Did Chris like Indonesia?
Oh, yes. He said he loved it. He said he wanted to go back at the end of this year.
Really? I'm glad he liked it.
Yes. He said Iwan's parents were very kind. He said they had a nice house near Jakarta. Iwan was sorry to leave his parents.
And how many brothers and sisters has Iwan got, Margaret?
Coba dengarkan beberapa kalimat yang dipakai Margaret ketika dia menceritakan kembali apa yang telah dikatakan oleh Chris dan Iwan. Perhatikanlah khususnya kata kerjanya.
Chris said he wanted to go back to Indonesia. He said he liked Indonesia. He said Iwan's parents were very kind. He said they lived in a nice house. He said they lived near Jakarta. Bert said they looked tired.
Margaret menceritakan kembali apa yang telah dikatakan sebelumnya. Karena itu, kata kerja